First, our top story. Indianapolis-based startup Medical Animatics is a unique company diving into the world of cutting-edge technologies. In addition to its growing medical division, Medical Animatics just completed training software for USA Diving called Jumpstart. Medical Animatics is led by Harlon, a high school dropout who finally lived his dream of getting an education and college degrees and is now founding president and CEO of his own company. Harlon joins me now in studio with more, and welcome to the program.
Thank you, Ken.
Interesting company. Essentially, and correct me if I'm wrong here, but you do animation and video, one for sports performance enhancement, right?
That's accurate.
And you talk about the relationship with USA Diving.
Sure. Actually, the relationship with USA Diving started as a graduate internship. I had previously 14 years of experience in the medical market, and as you mentioned there in your intro, I actually flipped it and had the opportunity to get my GED, go to college. I went to the School of Informatics. In the School of Informatics, I met the Olympic dive team folks and actually did an internship there.
Give me a thumbnail of this technology as it relates to the diving software.
We're using animation and video to replace what was formerly Word documents that were used to actually demonstrate for the divers particular moves. We use animation, video and stills, rotations to actually show what the divers can do to improve on their performance.
Yeah, it's a fascinating technology, and applications also on the medical side, patient education and information as well?
We're making a real good attention for our company right now because we're actually excelling in the area of patient-informed consent. We use animation and video to demonstrate for patients exactly what they're going to have, potentially give them an opportunity to decide about healthcare, so we really create informed consumers with the animation. We actually use the same animation to tell them the risk that might be associated with the procedure. And really the interesting thing, Gary, it's the same technology you see in the dive team programs is the same technology we can use for the medical programs. So.
It's interesting too. You do some videos for kids as well. I know we've all heard, or many have heard of Schoolhouse Rock.
Right.
You've got Outhouse
That's
Rock.
Right.
What's
That's
this
right.
about?
Very interesting. Same technology again, animation. We're using parody animation to take away some of the fear of medical treatment in some instances. Specifically with Outhouse Rock, we've used that to teach kids about health, science, the human body, those type things. And the interesting thing about it is it actually does adhere to the national standards of science education. So we've really built some robust content behind teaching kids science.
Your path as a CEO and founder of a company has not been a traditional one. Talk about what led you. You're a high school dropout, decided to say, I'm going to get my education and do this. What was that process like?
Well, I tell you, September 11th, executive leadership's changing in America. The paradigms in the economy's changing. I knew that I needed to do something to be more competitive, quite frankly. And finally, just, the one thing that I couldn't get out of my way was school. So I did go back to school. I did a great program at the School of Informatics. In the classes, I saw incredibly talented, traditional students who were doing amazing things with technology. And that actually inspired me to actually create a company and use what I had learned before to really help these people succeed in their careers.
Talk about your growth opportunities. So you've got about a half dozen employees now. What are you looking at here over the next few years?
We're very excited about the potential of 20 new hires within the next 12 to 14 months. Those would be in positions of animation, graphic arts, video technology, very high-end, state-of-the-art technology. We're real excited about that. Growth potential is tremendous. Actually, we seek to be the world leader in animation, video technology for health education, medical, and life sciences. And we want to be recognized in Indianapolis for that. So we intend to reach out to the universities, bring in the talent that's out there, and create this spectacular program that will be known right here from Indianapolis.
And you feel good about the talent coming out of places like the School of Informatics?
There's nothing like it, actually. I think we're happy to have a place for them to go without having to leave the state of Indiana.
All right, Harlon Wilson, Medical Animatics.
Thank you.
Congratulations to you, and good luck going forward.
Thank you.
All right. Well, also making news this week.